I'll never forget the sickening crunch of an iron block hitting the concrete. I bought a cheap engine tilter, and right as I cleared the engine bay, the crank seized, the chain slipped, and my weekend project turned into a costly nightmare. Finding a reliable engine tilter is a massive headache because the market is flooded with flimsy, dangerous knockoffs disguised as heavy-duty tools. Today, I am walking you through the absolute best engine lifting gear I've rigorously tested. Stick around, because the top spot completely revolutionized how I swap engines. 7. Yellow Jacket Hoist. When I first got my hands on this accessory, I was looking for a quick and straightforward solution for pulling a small 4-cylinder engine out of a daily driver. The bright yellow powder coating immediately caught my eye, and the overall footprint seemed compact enough to store easily under a workbench. During my initial setup, I appreciated how quickly it attached to my shop crane, making the initial rigging process feel relatively painless for a solo mechanic. However, as soon as the load was fully suspended, my testing experience took a noticeable dip. The advertised weight capacity seemed generous on paper, but in practice, the main threaded rod started to exhibit some concerning friction. While adjusting the tilt to clear the firewall, the crank handle became incredibly stiff and difficult to turn. I found myself having to put my entire body weight into the rotations, which completely defeats the purpose of having a precision leveling tool when you are trying to make micro adjustments in a tight engine bay. Furthermore, the included chains and mounting hardware left a lot to be desired during my practical tests. The chains are frustratingly short, severely limiting where you can safely bolt them onto a wider V8 block. I actually had to run out and purchase longer, grade A chains just to finish the job safely. The stamped steel brackets also showed slight signs of deflection under moderate loads, making me question the long-term durability of the unit if subjected to daily professional shop abuse. Ultimately, the yellow jacket is a functional piece of equipment if you are strictly working on very lightweight engines or transaxles. 6. Stark USA Engine Hoist 2. I brought this hoist into the shop specifically to test its space-saving claims and its ability to muscle a fully dressed iron block V8 off a trailer. Out of the box, the assembly process was relatively straightforward, and the heavy-gauge steel construction initially gave me a strong sense of confidence. The foldable leg design is undeniably practical, allowing me to tuck it into a corner when it wasn't in use. When it came time to actually lift a heavy load, I immediately ran into some frustrating mobility issues. The 6 swivel casters are made from a very hard, brittle material that refuses to roll smoothly unless your garage floor is perfectly polished glass. While navigating the suspended engine over a tiny expansion joint in my concrete floor, the wheels completely locked up. I had to dangerously shove and drag the entire assembly, causing the swinging engine to sway wildly, which is a massive safety hazard when you are working alone. The hydraulic ram also presented some worrying behavior during a prolonged lifting test. I raised a bare block and left it suspended overnight to check the integrity of the hydraulic seals. By the next morning, the boom had bled down several inches. While a slow leak might not ruin a quick engine swap, this internal bleed down makes it incredibly sketchy if you need to hold an engine perfectly steady while aligning transmission dowel pins for an extended period. You simply cannot trust the cylinder to maintain its exact height without dropping onto a safety stand. Overall, the Stark USA hoist provides decent raw lifting power for the price, but the execution falls flat in the crucial details. The terrible casters make maneuvering a heavy load an exhausting chore, and the questionable hydraulic stability constantly kept me on edge. 5. Dragway Tools Engine Hoist. I tested this unit during a complex engine swap involving a classic muscle car, where scratching the freshly painted firewall was absolutely out of the question. Right out of the box, the sheer weight and thickness of the steel told me this was a serious piece of equipment. The welds are beautifully uniform, and the overall construction feels like it can take a serious beating in a busy shop environment. What truly impressed me during my testing was the buttery, smooth operation of the threaded leveling rod. Unlike cheaper models I've fought with in the past, the Dragway Tools leveler utilizes a precision-machined Acme thread that glides effortlessly, even when fully loaded with a heavy big block engine. I was able to stand to the side and adjust the pitch of the engine with just one hand, dialing in the perfect angle to slide the transmission input shaft into the clutch assembly without a single curse word. The hardware included with this leveler is also a refreshing upgrade. The 4 mounting chains are generously long, allowing me to reach optimal bolting locations on the cylinder heads without stretching everything tight across the intake manifold. The heavy-duty drop-forged hooks feature secure spring-loaded safety latches, ensuring that once you are rigged up, there is zero chance of a chain slipping off during a critical moment. It provides immense peace of mind when you have thousands of dollars of metal hanging in the air. After completing several engine pulls with the Dragway Tools leveler, it has earned a permanent spot on my shop wall. It completely eliminates the jerky, terrifying drops associated with inferior tilters, allowing for absolute control over the load's center of gravity. 4. Performance Tool W41030. I hooked this unit up during a notoriously difficult inline-6 engine removal, a scenario where the extreme length of the block usually makes balancing a complete nightmare. The W41030 immediately impressed me with its robust 3-hole adjustment rail, which allowed me to fine-tune the mounting point of the shop crane hook before I even started cranking the handle. During the actual lift, the ergonomic design of the W41030's crank handle became its standout feature. The oversized, comfortable grip provides excellent leverage, and the internal bearing system ensures that the rotational force transfers directly to the threaded rod without any annoying binding. Even as the heavy inline-6 started to tilt at a dramatic 45-degree angle to clear the radiator core support, the handle turned with surprising ease. I never felt like I was fighting the tool to get the engine where it needed to be. The build quality of the W41030 is distinctly rugged, featuring a thick, rust-resistant coating that easily wipes clean of grease and oil after a messy job. I carefully inspected the load bearing brackets and chain links after deliberately subjecting them to some shock loading tests, and I found absolutely no evidence of stretching or metal fatigue. The chains are perfectly sized for standard automotive applications, and the heavy-duty L brackets bolt flush and tight against the engine block, preventing any dangerous swinging motions. This performance tool leveler is easily one of the most reliable accessories I have ever used. It perfectly bridges the gap between affordable pricing and professional-grade performance. It took what is normally a highly stressful, sweaty procedure and turned it into a calm, controlled process. 3. Sunex Tools 5720. While this isn't an engine tilter for pulling a block out of a car, I had to include it because no engine build is complete without a massive hydraulic press for bearings, wrist pins, and suspension components. I set this massive unit up in my shop specifically to handle a complete engine rebuild, and its towering, rigid frame immediately made my old benchtop press look like a child's toy. The operational smoothness of the Sunex 5720 is nothing short of phenomenal. During my testing, I needed to press out some incredibly stubborn, rusted-in control arm bushings and later press in delicate camshaft bearings. The heavy-duty hydraulic ram delivers pressure in such a controlled, linear fashion that you can feel exactly when a component breaks loose or seats properly. The included pressure gauge is a fantastic touch, allowing me to monitor the exact tonnage being applied in so I never accidentally crack a valuable aluminum housing. One of the greatest features of this press is the integrated winch mechanism for adjusting the heavy steel bed. In the past, raising or lowering a press bed involved awkwardly balancing thick steel plates while manually shoving iron pins into holes. With the Sunex 5720, you simply crank the winch handle and the entire bed smoothly glides up and down the carriage. This saved my back countless times and allowed me to quickly transition between pressing small engine parts and massive axle assemblies in seconds. Integrating the Sunex 5720 into my shop has drastically elevated the quality and speed of my engine builds. It provides the brute force necessary for heavy tear-downs, combined with the surgical precision required for delicate engine assembly. 2. Torin BIGRED Engine Leveler. I bought this specific leveler for a very tight LS engine swap into a compact chassis, where clearing the transmission tunnel required an extreme tilt angle. The signature bright red finish is striking, but it's the sheer heft of the solid steel construction that lets you know this leveler means serious business before you even hook it up. In my rigorous shop testing, the 1,500-pound capacity proved to be incredibly accurate and stable. I rigged up a fully dressed iron block engine with the transmission attached, maxing out the practical weight limits. The Torin's heavy-duty 4-point mounting system distributed the massive load perfectly. As I hoisted the engine into the air, there was absolutely zero terrifying creaking or groaning from the brackets. The block hung completely dead and secure in the air, giving me total confidence to stick my hands under the load to align the motor mounts. The actual leveling mechanism on the Torin Big Red is a masterclass in mechanical advantage. The oversized, heavy-duty crank handle operates a thick, finely threaded central drive screw that moves the balance point with microscopic precision. I was genuinely amazed at how little effort it took to dramatically shift the angle of a massive engine assembly. The action is entirely fluid, completely free of the stuttering or popping that plagues cheaper models, ensuring that the engine glides into place without suddenly jerking. This leveler is a quintessential example of getting exactly what you pay for. The Torin Big Red takes the anxiety out of heavy lifting, providing a buttery smooth, incredibly safe way to manipulate massive loads in tight spaces. 1. JEGS Geared 80102. I realized long ago that pulling the engine safely is only half the battle. Working on it is where the real back-breaking labor begins. I purchased this stand to hold a massive, fully assembled big block Chevy engine during a ground-up rebuild. Right off the bat, the wide, reinforced H-style base and massive ball-bearing casters allowed me to effortlessly roll 1,000 pounds of cast iron across my uneven shop floor without breaking a sweat. The absolute game-changing feature of this JEGS stand is the geared rotating head assembly. Traditionally, flipping a heavy engine block upside down to install a crankshaft involves jamming a massive breaker bar into the stand, pulling out a pin, and praying the engine doesn't violently swing around and crush your arm. With the JEGS 80102, that terrifying process is completely eliminated. You simply turn the ergonomic handle on the integrated gearbox, and the massive engine gracefully and safely rotates to any precise angle you desire. During my extensive testing, the 60-to-1 gear ratio of the rotating head provided unbelievable mechanical advantage. I was able to flip a fully dressed big block with literally 2 fingers, stopping it at the exact perfect angle to torque down the connecting rod bolts. The heavy-duty mounting arms are highly adjustable and bolted securely to the bell housing flange without any slop or bending. The entire structure feels like a concrete pillar, completely eliminating the scary, bouncing flex common with cheaper tubular engine stands. The JEGS Geared 80102 completely revolutionized the way I build engines, transforming a physically demanding, somewhat dangerous task into an effortless, highly controlled process. It represents the pinnacle of shop equipment design, maximizing both users' safety and mechanical convenience.